Those are sleds, bud.
Sleds!
Look at all those presents.
Let's open them!
Okay.
They have Santa!
What do you think, Bri?
And Toy Story 3! Look at all those presents!
Santa!
More Santa!
More Santa.
Open all these candy cans!
Gavin, look, you ate your snack that you left.
And the reindeer ate the carrots.
And Santa ate the cookies and drank the milk that you left them. They put candy canes on the tree, too.
Oh,
Yeah.
tree!
Yeah, he's on the tree.
And when we hold it? When is he holding it?
Alright, we're going to do our stockings first, okay? Say Merry Christmas to the camera.
Merry Christmas!